Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to change and convert video file formats in OBS. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your OBS application on your computer. Once you have it running, direct your attention to the upper left corner of your screen. You'll see a menu labeled File. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open up your configuration panel where you can customize various aspects of how OBS records and streams your content. In the Settings window, look at the left panel where you'll find several categories. Click on Output. This section controls how your recordings and streams are processed and saved. Now navigate to Output mode at the top of this panel. Right beside it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it and select Advanced. Switching to Advanced mode gives you more control over your recording settings and unlocks additional format options that aren't available in the Simple mode. Next, click on the Recording tab located at the top of the Output settings. This tab specifically handles all your recording configurations. Now, find the option labeled Recording Format. Right beside it, there's another drop-down menu. Click on it to reveal a list of available video formats. Here you can select your preferred recording format from options like MP4, MOV, FLV, MKV, and others. Each format has its own advantages depending on your editing software and storage needs, so choose the one that works best for your workflow. Once you've made your selection, click Apply at the bottom right to save your changes, then click OK to close the settings window. This ensures that all future recordings will be saved in your newly selected format. Now, if you already have existing videos that you want to convert to a different format, OBS has a built-in tool for that. Go back to the upper left corner, click File again, and this time select Remux Recordings. The Remux feature allows you to change a video's container format without re-encoding, which means you can convert files quickly without losing any quality. A Remux Recordings window will appear. Open the video file you want to convert from wherever it's stored on your computer, then drag it directly into the Remux Recordings window. Once your file appears in the window, click Remux. The conversion process will begin and should complete fairly quickly since it's not re-encoding the actual video data, just changing the container format. After the Remux process finishes, you can verify that your video was successfully converted. Navigate back to where your video files are stored, then right-click on the newly converted video and select Properties from the context menu. In the Properties window that opens, you'll see Type of File, which will display your new video file format, confirming that the conversion was successful. And that's it. You now know how to change your default recording format in OBS and how to convert existing videos using the Remux feature. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.